everyone, this is Danny from Parquet. Today we are going to give an installation guide for the Mension with Parquet. This Parquet is now very popular in the world, and we produce a lot all over the world for everybody. And actually people said this one is actually a little bit confusing about installation. So we are going to introduce how to install this floor properly and what's the sequence. So let's check the products first. Actually, this product will be with five different style of the parquet. There will be one hexagon, we call it A, and there will be 4 pieces of the chopsoid. The chopsoid will be marked as B, C, D, E on the back of the floor. You can see like we will mark the back of the floor with the letters. So what's the difference? B and C is the reverse the type. It's like a mirror type, and D and E is the mirror type. But D and C, they have same direction of the hexagon, but have the different tongue and groove. So this one have 2 tongue on the left and the bottom, and this one has only 1 tongue on the right. So same like B and E. B and E have different tongue and groove. So with knowing all this, then we are going to tell you a very important sequence of this parquet. There will be 2 different kind of sequence in this floor. The first sequence is A plus B and C. So the A always the hexagon always the same. So you put the B and C on the tongue of the hexagon. There will be 4 tongue on the top right and top left tongue of the hexagon, and this is the first sequence. And the second sequence is A plus D and E. You put in the mirror direction of D and E on the top tongue of the hexagon. So everything will be installed with these 2 mixture. So let's see. This is the installed floor. Installed parquet with parquet. There will be always like 1 row of A, B, C. This row will be always 1 row A, B, C. And the second row above of this will be A, D, E. So